is for apple pie, warm and sweet. B is for banana, a tasty treat. C is for carrot cake, soft and yummy. D is for donut, round in my tummy. E is for egg, sunny and bright. F is for French fries, crunchy delight. G is for grapes, purple and green. H is for honey, golden and clean. I is for ice cream, cold and fun. J is for juice, fresh for everyone. K is for kiwi, fuzzy outside. L is for lemonade, a cool summer ride. M is for mango, juicy and bright. N is for noodles, twisty and light. O is for orange, round and sweet. P is for pizza, a cheesy treat. Q is for quinoa, tiny and small. R is for rice, loved by all. S is for strawberries, red and sweet. T is for tomato, a garden treat. U is for udon, noodles so long. V is for vanilla in ice cream song. W is for watermelon, juicy and fun. X is for sigua, a melon in the sun.